What's up, everybody? We are in Blanchard, Oklahoma, and we have started to get drywall in our project here. It's phenomenal. I'm happy. I love it. I can't see through the walls anymore. There is so much going on in here. We're going to give you a quick tour. This is all just happened in the last few days. As you can see, we got all the screw holes still showing. So there's lots and lots and lots of work left to do in here for the mudding. I think we're gonna do a light texture on these, which is awesome because texture helps hide defects. And drywall is a very difficult product to get perfect. And when you get light shining on it, you will see every little stinking defect. So texture is good when it comes to drywall. Go straight in, man.
Am I not going straight in?
No. Let me.
It's one of those days, man.
You gotta lighten it up, buddy.
One of those days.
All right, so we are on top of the roof out here in Blanchard now. And this was missed by our plumbers, and we noticed it the other day because we started getting water inside, and we're like, what the heck? Why was there water inside? It's like, oh, there's no boot on the roof vent. So first step is we're just gonna put a little bit of Lexel around the bottom seam here. And then close off this little piece. I'm actually gonna use a lot of Lexel in this process here, so, because why be stingy? Why be stingy right here? Okay, let me have this boot. Let me make sure this is the right boot. All these boots have, I don't know if you can zoom in on that, but it's a universal pipe flashing boot, and it has all these measurements on the side. It has it to give us to it in inches, and on the other side we get it in millimeters. So that way we know what we need to trim it back to. So I just need to get rid of this first one. Do a little bit of saw action here. Yeah, that gives me that fit that I'm looking for. Okay, so now take our Lexel and we just pack in the bottom of this guy, load it up here all the way around. Okay, so I got loaded it up all the way around there, and then going to slap it on here. Boop, 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 boop. All right, and then push it down on the seam all the way around. This side we have to contour to this rib. That's why it has this little metal band around it. So that way we can bend it and get it to contour where we need it to contour to. Now we're gonna pop some screws in it. Just snug her up. Now we do Lexel again here, all the way around. Now I'm just gonna tool it a bit, just to make sure. We are so close. We are looking at moving in the homeowners in roughly 3 weeks time. So we are in crunch mode right now. So we had the electrician out. They've been getting all the wafer lights up in the ceiling. Those look phenomenal. The lights are on. We got our lights on in the kitchen. Those look phenomenal. Everything's like lined up and symmetrical. It's so cool. Our kitchen though, our kitchen is gonna be delayed. Yay. Like always, there was a piece that came in wrong color. So we had to take that back to the store, get a new piece. That'll be here in about 2 weeks. So hopefully we can get the kitchen finalized before the homeowners move in. But they basically said, we're ready to move in. So I don't care if there's a plywood top down temporarily, and then we'll get the other pieces in. But they're ready to get in here. So kitchen's coming together, looking phenomenal. We got almost all the pieces in. We got glass we need to put up in the top cabinet still, and then we got our Vent-A-Hood that we still got to get in, and then the ovens and the ranges and all that kind of stuff. So we are getting very, very, very close. We have the guys upstairs that put carpet in today, so let's go take a look at that. But on the way to carpet, pantry. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is not bad. It's not a bad space here. We're kind of coming in a little bit here. Plenty of room for everything. All the cereals and whatnot. We left this side open so they can have like a little stand here if they wanted to, but it would have to be a small one because the door opens in. So, but yeah, pantry's looking good. The office is looking phenomenal. Anywho, we got carpet going in. Holy closet, look at this. I actually haven't seen this yet. This is nice. Wow, is it dry? Yeah, it's dry. This is actually really nice. I like it. Big old giant shoe rack hanging on both sides. Hanging. Lots of shelving, shoe rack in the middle. I kind of like this. I could dig this closet. And then master bedroom, we got carpet going down. I want to come in here and see the shower. Oh man, guys. Dude, this tile is phenomenal. We got a nice little shelf in here. The tile on the ground is cool. Man, I cannot wait to show this to you after it's clean. It's gonna be so cool in here. Got baseboards all the way around, still need to be painted, so we're almost done. We're getting close. We literally just picked up the vanity today, so that'll be get put in this week as well. So this room's almost done. The tub should be here tomorrow, and then the big tub will go here with the floor faucet. I like it. Stairs going up. We still got a chandelier that needs to drop down right here, so that's coming. That should be here this week as well. Holy, it's very pink and peach up here. Let's go into this one first. Wow. Look at the fan. That is pretty. That's a good choice. I like it. Closet's good size. Fan matches really, that's a really good looking fan, to be honest with you. The pink in here looks good. The closet looks good. This is a good size closet, actually. I like it. Is the light out? Light switch? Yeah, light switch right here. No, we don't have power yet. This is a good size. It'd be good for the kids. Get rods in here and everything. One more room. These are all the kiddos' rooms. Whoa. So yeah. Guys, this is coming along. I am so excited. It's pretty surreal standing actually right here, because not too long ago we had all the guys out there on scissor lifts and skid steers, and we were hauling the floor trusses, or the floor joists rather, because we did the TJIs. We were hauling them in through this window and running them across here. And now look at it. I'm just, every time we get to a finished state in a house that we built, that I'm standing in, it's just, it's a surreal moment. It's really cool, and it's a moment that I live for as a builder, providing beautiful homes for people to live into. And not only beautiful homes, but homes that perform. That's why we use the building science, because that allows us to not only make a beautiful home that somebody gets to live in and enjoy, but it's a home that's gonna last. You know, we have exterior rock wool all over this house. It's on the roof, it's on the walls. We have interior R23 rock wool in these interior walls, all up in the roof decking, everywhere around. And it is so comfortable in this house right now. It is like 90 something degrees outside. The AC is not on in this house, and it is comfortable in here. It is nice. And then just the sound too, the sound that it makes in here. It's so quiet in this house compared to outside, just because of the rock wool insulation that we put in it. So this place is comfortable, even though we have all these windows, all of these giant windows bringing in all this light, and letting in some heat, because windows do that. We are double pane. We do have argon filled. So you know, they're good windows, but there is going to let some heat in, especially when there's that many of them. And it is still very, very, very comfortable in this home. And the AC is not even on yet. It's great. I'm happy. So yeah, we're getting extremely close to being almost done here. More construction this week. Next week, we're planning on being in here and cleaning. So we're gonna have the whole crew here. We're gonna run around. We're gonna clean everything inside these windows, because construction dust gets everywhere. So it's all over the place right now still. So all this has to be cleaned, and it's gonna be a job cleaning all this out. But we need to do it, because the week after that, our clients are moving in. And then we are actually gonna help them move in. We're gonna do a special move-in video for that as well. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, follow. Become a member. If you don't know, on YouTube, we have memberships now. So join, become a member. You get some member-only videos, but all the main meat of the building science is going to be free for all, as always. So thanks so much for checking this one out. We'll see you on the next one.